Sometimes on Instagram, you may have created AI chats, and if you want to change the name of that AI chat, you can do that. In this video, we'll be showing you how to change the name of your AI chat that you've created. For this, open the Instagram app. After that, down here you can see a message button. Click on this message button. When you click on that, up above you can see a button like this. Click on this button. When you click on that, here you can see chats. Click on chats. When you click on that, you'll reach AI Studio, and in AI Studio you can see your AI option. Under that, you can see every AI chat that you have created. From this list, select the AI chat whose name you want to change. For example, I'm selecting this AI chat. After that, click on the settings button. Then here you can see name, and you can remove the old name and enter a new name. For example, I'm selecting a name like this, and if you want to generate it by AI, you can click on this button. When you click on that, AI will generate a name for you. Anyway, after that, click on the Save button, or sometimes it will say Publish. Anyway, click on Save or Publish. When you click on that, the settings will be saved. So this way you can easily change the name of your Instagram AI chat. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.